Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. I have the Retail Me Not that's coming on Sunday, April the 26th, 2020. I get these in my mail the Wednesday before, usually, the actual date that these inserts come out. So here we go. We got the Family Dollar ad here. I don't know how you can get these in your mail. They don't actually even come in my newspaper. So yeah, there used to be a way to request when it was called Red Plum, but now I don't even see a way to do that. So the Family Dollar ad is there for you. I don't shop at Family Dollar, so none of that really means anything to me. Okay, so here we have a 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture, $1 off Aqua Fresh, 75 cents Aqua Fresh. I don't know about you guys, but don't think I've ever actually purchased Aqua Fresh during my whole couponing time. I don't know, it's just never free. Here we got $10 off if that's something you need there. I always use my Centrum coupons, so $4 off and then the $2 one. We haven't seen pairing Saving Star. We used to always see that. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe Ibotta will show up for us. Here we got the standard ones that they give us. Emergency Centrum, Sworn Medicine products here. It's not a real big insert, but I guess there's some good ones in there. Anyway, guys, so that's it for the Retail Me Not. I think we're also getting a Smart Source, but I'm not 100% for sure.